Welcome to Gadget Solution.
ZTE Router Login. ZTE Router web interface allows you to change Wi-Fi password, SSID, and various default settings at http://192.168.1.1 or http://192.168.0.1.
Open your computer or laptop.
Connect your device to your ZTE router's network. You can also use an Ethernet cable to connect your device directly to the router's Ethernet port.
Open a web browser of your choice.
Enter the default IP address for your ZTE router 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar and press Enter to proceed.
Next, a login screen appears. Enter your router's default login details.
Enter admin for username and password and click Login. You will be now logged into your ZTE router interface. The process is compatible with ZTE F609, F660, F680, F668, and other ZTE router models. Change Wi-Fi network name, SSID, on ZTE routers. Log into the router's settings. Click Network from the left menu and then select WLAN. Under the WLAN section, select SSID settings. Choose SSID 1 and enter the new Wi-Fi name in the SSID name field. Click on Submit button to save the changes.
Thanks for watching.